Hi everybody, Sam Lazar here from Sam Lazar Tech, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a new folder on Windows 10, or a computer system in general. But before we start, all the opinions are my own. Um, I'm not sponsored. Uh, Windows came with this laptop, so yeah, let's go ahead and start. So when I'm doing this, I'll be doing this in two parts in the video. All in the first section is how to make a new folder, and the second one will be how to make a new folder, but on a touchscreen device. So when you use a touchscreen, there'll be two components to this, but anyway, it'll be relevant to all modern Windows devices. So in order to make a new folder, you right click, you go down new, and then you select folder. In folder, you name it whatever you want. I'll just name it new one. There, so you create a new folder, so you can drag and drop files in. So in order to drag and drop files in, I'll just make a new folder, new rich text document. I drag in. This is how I just dragged it in. New rich text document. To delete it, you hit the delete key on your keyboard, or you can right click and hit delete. Okay, that's done. Another way to make a new folder is Control Shift N, and I'll make it new. So Control Shift N also does that, as you can tell. Once open, same properties. You also got a new folder button up the top, which does the same thing. So yeah, that's how you make a new folder. And to delete, you hit the delete key. And I'm going to head over to my touchscreen laptop and show you how to do it on a touchscreen computer. So yeah. So now I'm on my other computer on how to make a new folder. So what you do is with your finger, you hold down the screen, holding down right click. Then you hit new, then you hit folder. And then from there, you can use the on-screen keyboard or type away. So I'll hit enter, make a new folder. Double tap with your finger, you're in the folder. So yeah, you're in the folder. And from there, you can do things and pretty much the same thing, but in the folder. So that's how you create a new folder on Windows 10, on Windows or computer to be exact. Hopefully this helped. I'm Sam, thank you for watching, and see ya.